and it's April 24th, 2012, and I've got a question for you. Every year on 420, potheads around the world decide that their federal laws that ban pot don't apply to them because they have a right to their drug. Now, they claim that they have a right to protest and that what they're doing is completely legal because they have every right to protest anything they dislike. So what would you think the outcome of so many of these liberty-loving scofflaws would be if, in Canada, millions of gun owners decided federal law should be changed and decided to break the law in an act of protest? What if every restricted and prohibited gun owner put their guns in their car and went to a range without an ATT, or in the case of prohibited firearms, the absolute bullshit special authority to possess permits? Would the NDP, as so many of its members do, speak positively of this act of government defiance, this act of civil disobedience and public protest, as they do for the scofflaw drug addicts that celebrate 420? Would gun owners be treated equally, or would we be rounded up en masse, pushed into cattle cars, and carted off to some backwater prison, never to be heard from again? And if you are a 420 supporter and you think that what I'm advocating should be considered criminal, why should 420 protesters not be treated exactly the same for committing violations of federal law? A while ago, I heard a really disjointed rant by an idiot pothead from Manitoba. Now, after a while, I actually met the person in person, and in the 10-minute, and the only time I've ever seen him in person was when he was selling drugs. So this is a person that the omnibus crime bill was specifically addressed and written to target. Just a drug dealer not wanting to go to jail for breaking the law. So, should gun owners be allowed to violate the federal law, restricted and prohibited firearms laws, one day a year, in protest of those laws? Protest is a fundamental Canadian value according to the New Democratic Party. Would Thomas Mulcair openly support this protest, or would he condemn it and demand every participant be jailed without trial because the evidence was so overwhelming? I don't know what you think. I know pretty much the odds of gun owners getting away with doing what potheads do is slim to fucking none, because the NDP quite literally hate gun owners. We will never get the same treatment. But do you feel that millions of Canadians should be allowed to peacefully protest bad laws, no matter what the bad law they are protesting is? Or is that a privilege only for New Democrats and Liberals? And if New Democrats and Liberals feel so strongly about equal rights and blah blah blah, why are they not demanding 420 protesters get locked up for possession, use, and distribution of illegal substances? Seriously. Why are you treating drug addicts and scofflaws better than people who have obeyed laws which were passed with no valid reason, only bigotry, hate, and vote the most fascist act of vote-whipping lies I have ever seen in our country's history. Why are you supporting the burning of 13 charter rights against one group and defending the crimes of another? If you're an NDP supporter, please comment, let me know what you think. If you're a Liberal supporter, please comment and let me know what you think. If you're a radical pothead who wants gun owners murdered, post down in it. Be polite, be intelligent. But let's have a conversation. Anyways, I'm Druid. Over and out.